When it comes to my little ones, I always want what's best for them. Their dreams and aspirations are mine too. Their happiness is mine too. So for my champions, I choose Yummy Valley products. With no artificial colors, maida or processed sugar, Yummy Valley products help them grow with natural goodness. And who said it's only for kids? I like eating healthy too. If you want your kids to do their best, they deserve the best. And that's none other than Yummy Valley products. Use promo code SHEETAL25 to avail your discounts.